Imagine a bank's security system. Ethical hackers simulate real-world attacks to find weaknesses. This helps organizations strengthen their defenses. By finding and fixing vulnerabilities, we make systems safer for everyone. Ethical hackers play a vital role in protecting sensitive information. They help prevent data breaches and cyber attacks. Their work safeguards businesses, governments, and individuals. It's an ongoing process of identifying and mitigating risks. This proactive approach is essential in our increasingly interconnected world. Android is a powerful platform for ethical hacking. Its open-source nature offers flexibility and customization. Hackers can access the operating system's core. This allows for in-depth security assessments. Additionally, Android's vast app ecosystem provides a wide range of hacking tools. Android devices are readily available and affordable. This makes them accessible to aspiring ethical hackers. You can set up a mobile hacking lab anywhere. This is ideal for on-the-go testing and penetration testing. Furthermore, Android's popularity makes it a realistic target for attackers. Setting up an Android ethical hacking lab is straightforward. You need a few essential components. First, obtain an Android device. Choose one that allows rooting. Rooting grants you administrative privileges. This is crucial for installing advanced hacking tools. Next, install a custom recovery image. This replaces the stock recovery environment. A custom recovery allows you to flash custom ROMs and kernels. It also enables you to back up and restore your device. This is important for experimenting without the risk of bricking your device. These tools will help you perform various tasks. Numerous Android apps facilitate ethical hacking. These tools aid in network analysis, vulnerability scanning, and exploitation. Understanding their functions is key to effective penetration testing. Let's explore some indispensable tools for Android ethical hacking. Firstly, Net Analyzer serves as a robust network analysis tool. It provides detailed information about connected devices. This includes IP addresses, MAC addresses, and open ports. Such insights are crucial for identifying potential vulnerabilities within a network. Secondly, Fing. Network Tools is another valuable asset. It offers network scanning, device discovery, and port scanning functionalities. Its user-friendly interface simplifies network reconnaissance. Scanning is the initial step in ethical hacking. It involves identifying active devices and open ports on a network. This information helps hackers understand the network's structure and potential vulnerabilities. Android offers various tools for effective network scanning. One such tool is Network Mapper or NMAP. It's a powerful and versatile tool available for Android. An app allows you to scan networks, identify hosts, and detect open ports. It provides detailed information about the target network, including operating systems and services running on each. Section 6. Vulnerability Assessment and Exploitation. This step aims to identify weaknesses in the system. Ethical hackers use various tools and techniques to achieve this. The goal is to understand the severity of these vulnerabilities. One common technique is penetration testing, often called pen testing. It simulates real-world attacks to exploit vulnerabilities. This helps determine the potential impact of an attack. Ethical hackers use this information to recommend security improvements. Several tools are available for vulnerability assessment on Android. These tools automate the process of identifying weaknesses. It helps assess the strength of passwords used within a system. Ethical hackers utilize various techniques to crack passwords. These techniques range from brute force attacks to dictionary attacks. Brute force attacks involve trying every possible combination of characters. This method is time-consuming but effective against weak passwords. Dictionary attacks, on the other hand, use a list of common passwords. This method is faster but relies on users having predictable passwords. Rainbow tables are pre-computed tables that store password hashes. Hackers use these tables to crack passwords quickly. Section 8. Social Engineering Tactics. Social engineering exploits human psychology to gain unauthorized access. Attackers use various techniques to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information. Understanding these tactics is crucial for ethical hackers. Phishing is a common social engineering technique. It involves sending fraudulent emails or messages. These messages often impersonate legitimate organizations. They aim to trick recipients into clicking malicious links or providing personal information. Baiting is another technique that uses tempting offers to lure victims. Attackers may offer free downloads, prizes, or exclusive content. However, these offers are often too good to be true. Engaging in unauthorized hacking activities can have severe consequences. Therefore, ethical hackers must prioritize legality and safety. Firstly, always obtain written permission before conducting any hacking activities. This ensures you have legal authorization to test the target system. Without explicit permission, your actions may be considered illegal, regardless of your intentions. Secondly, respect the privacy of individuals and organizations. Avoid accessing or disclosing any sensitive information beyond the scope of your engagement. Ethical hackers have a responsibility to protect the confidentiality of the data they encounter. Report your findings to the system owner or vendor promptly. Section 10. Conclusion. Embracing ethical hacking. As technology advances, so do the methods of cybercriminals. Ethical hackers serve as the first line of defense, proactively identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. By embracing ethical hacking, we contribute to a safer and more secure digital world. Aspiring ethical hackers should focus on continuous learning and skill development. The field of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, requiring individuals to stay abreast of the latest threats, vulnerabilities, and mitigation techniques. By investing in their education and training, ethical hackers can remain at the forefront of this ever-changing landscape. Moreover, ethical hackers should foster a strong ethical compass. With great power comes great responsibility. Ethical hackers must use their skills for good, always operating within the bounds of the law and respecting the privacy of others.